Hi guys. Today I'm going to make Nepali style dosa. Mix rice flour in water. These masala I am using for sambar. This is sambar. Vegetable. Fry it well, then put water. Put water in sambar according to your need. Spread the liquid flour in the oily pan. Cook it in low flame. Make tomatoes chutney. In grinder. Mix imli and sambar for taste. Mix it well in water. Then put imli in sambar. Nepali style dosa is ready to eat now. Yummy face savoring delicious food. Thank you for watching.